We want a mass-led type of a protest, which it will not be politically aligned, which will not be NGO business aligned. It will be genuine concern by South Africans.
A few moments later.
That riffraff of KZN, a tribalist riffraff, that has got no idea.
Who's the tribalist riffraff?
That those people who are marching every day.
Oh, march and march.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
then because of that, I must change my position because of fools.
We want our people to go to the streets. We want our people to picket. And they must not go on the EFF's invitation. They must go on their own. It must not be politically led.
When you ask them, what do you need in law to be changed to accommodate what you are saying?
Yeah.
They drink Intelis. And then Intelis must change me. That someone is smoking Intelis, and then I must change my view.
Yeah.
Those traditional herbs they take
okay.
when they march, when you ask them questions, and then that must make me change. I can't change this. There is no persuasive argument presented to make me change, except foolishness. And I'm not part of foolishness.
I see some countries.
Article ebhalwe iNews 24. Isihloko sawo sithi Toilet Tenders. How a former Malema connection raked in 1.6 billion rand from Ekurhuleni. And the key points lapho eyokuqala ithi Selby Manchata appears to be the biggest beneficiary of payment from the Ekurhuleni Water and Sanitation Department. Both Manchata and Malema were charged with corruption and money laundering in 2012. Yona article ke lebhalwe iNews 24. Sizofunda ke le article siza ukuthi yini le efaka uMalema nanokuthi azagcina sechargiwe odabeni lwama tender lama pit toilet lama toilet lawo eplastic lawo kuza imoto izowa trainer njalo ngeviki abantu abahlala emkhukhwini ke njengako Alex Jimistin ngapha kwaMakawusi nangapha kwaRasta ukuya le dawe sinemkhukhu lesiminyaminya bayayazi lama toilet engikhuluma ngawo lawe plastic. Ngaphambi nje sifunde article uFloyd ekhuluma no David Mashabela kwi King David Studio wakhuluma kanje.
The other time when we'd given an instruction that the bucket toilets must be abolished in Ekurhuleni. So the EFF was responsible for water and sanitation, which could have started an RFP in the municipality. We could have started a process to say, let us remove bucket toilets and have much more decent toilets. Do you know, one of the leaders was saying, what are my children going to eat? And only to discover that that person was involved in the tenders of supplying bucket toilets to Ekurhuleni.
Those blue funeral toilets.
Like, what rubbish is this? Like, what are my children going to eat?
Azubani le leader eku EFF abathi mase sebelinikiwe ithuba ngoba phela kusuka ngo2016 if I'm not mistaken EFF yangena emandleni yokubusa ngokuphatha ngokubambisana lento ekuthiwa ama coalition yayise iphathi indawo yaseKurhuleni ngiyacabanga neCity of Johannesburg. Uma sebengena emandleni uma sebekhuluma udaba lokuthi let us abolish this bucket toilet kwakhiwa ama toilet aqondile leyo leader yathi abantwana bamufuna abadleni kazobani leyo leader ngoba sesiyazi ukuthi leyo leader iku EFF phela uFloyd beka ku EFF angazi ke mina ukuthi leyo leader ubani no Floyd akayishongo kodwa asifundi article ebhalwe iNews 24. The Ekurhuleni Metropolitan Municipality has paid more than 1.6 billion rand to two companies helmed by businessman Selby Manchata, who was once charged alongside Julius Malema in the On Point engineering corruption scandal. Manchata was acquitted of corruption charges by the Gauteng High Court in Pretoria in 2016. The bulk of payment from Ekurhuleni to Manthata companies, RSMM Construction and Selby Construction, come from Ekurhuleni Water and Sanitation Department. The municipality has paid 56 million rand to RSMM Construction so far in the current mobile chemical toilet contract, said Ekurhuleni spokesperson Zweli Dlamini. This makes RSMM the largest single beneficiary of the 1.8 billion chemical toilet contract that was investigated by the municipality chief's auditor, Mpho Mafole, before his murder in June last year. Mafole was assassinated on a Kempton Park Street 3 days after filing a probity audit highlighting critical irregularities on the municipality's part in the procurement process. The current contract awarded to 15 companies days after his murder runs until June 2028. Aphambi siqhubeke nje nale article. Lolu daba lenzekwa kwi-Department of Water and Sanitation. And inkulumo kaFloyd ithe i-EFF berana i-Department of Water and Sanitation. Okwesibili, i-auditor le eyaveza udaba yadutshulwa beyiveza ngayo yona le department okuthinta lona lolu daba lwama-toilet. Angisho lutho mina, sifunda nje article asiqhubeke. Le audit, the murder trial of Thabani Goodwill Tshali, the alleged hitman and sole suspect arrested for killing, is continuing in the High Court. Mafole was second Ekurhuleni employee to be murdered while auditing the mobile chemical toilet within 2 years. Simnikiwe Mapini was shot and killed while driving on the Germiston Street near the Rand Airport during the lunch hour on 8 December 2023. Open quotes, RSMM Construction has no connection of any kind to the death of any person, and any suggestion to the contrary, whether express or implied, and whether in the body of an article or in its headline will be false, defamatory, and actionable, close quotes, said Manthata in an email response littered with threats of legal action. The contract is for the supply and operation of mobile chemical toilets to informal settlement around the municipality and for work on sanitation infrastructure. In total, the municipality has paid Selby Construction more than 1.1 billion rand since 2016. Some of the contracts were for work on water reservoirs and infrastructure networks and for cleaning and repair to sewer pipes, said Dlamini. Ekurhuleni has also paid RSMM Construction a further 504 million rand over the same period, according to the Companies and Intellectual Properties Commission. RSMM Construction was registered in November 2023 at a Linyenye Township address near Tzaneen. Selby Construction has already been registered at the same address in May 2001. Manthata insists these are one of the same entity, with the name having changed to RSMM. It is unclear whether RSMM has premises or offices within the municipality boundaries of Ekurhuleni. Manthata declined to provide any information, and News24 was unable to track or trace any address. The On Point Engineering saga. Manthata was friendly with Malema when the latter was still ANC Youth League leader. Asked this week whether he maintains any relationship with Malema, Manthata said the inquiries asked nothing about the tender, the contract, the services, or the pricing. It asked only whether I know a public figure, whether we are friends, and how and when we meet. Those are questions about private occasions, not about public funds, and they do not prove impropriety. Whether I know any public figure says nothing about how the Ekurhuleni City Bid Evaluation and Adjudication Committees assesses any bid. In 2012, Manthata and his brother Makgetho, as well as Helen Morera, initially appeared alongside Malema, Lesiba Gwangwa, the company On Point Engineering, Gwama Properties, and Kagisho Ditshabe on charges of corruption, fraud, and money laundering. According to the charge sheet, the Manthata brothers were sole signatories in a bank account belonging to Oceanside Trading 777, a company that had transferred 1 million rand to a firm of attorney for the benefit of Malema's Ratanang Family Trust. Morera was and still is the sole director of Ocean Trading 777. Malema's 21.6 million rand property portfolio and how he built his fiefdom. Morera was also the wife of Manthata, according to Malema, Money, Power, Patronage, a book by Mika Reddy and Pauli van Wyk. The book recorded that it was Manthata who had signed the 1 million rand check. The state alleged this was used as part payment for the acquisition of a 3.9 million rand farm for Malema. The state further alleged the funds from Oceanside Trading 777 that were paid to Malema came from a 6.2 million rand payment by the Limpopo Road and Transport Department made on the recommendation of an On Point Engineering which had won a tender in 2009. The state also alleged that the Oceanside Trading 777 payment to Malema made the Manthata brothers and Morera guilty of corruption, and they had no legitimate business reason for the transaction. The trial of Selby Manthata, Morera, and Ocean Trading was eventually separated from that of Malema, Gwangwa, Ditshabe, On Point Engineering, and Gwangwa Properties. They were charged with single count of corruption for paying the 1 million rand to the Ratanang Family Trust and 3 counts of contravening the Prevention of Organized Crime Act. All the accused were acquitted. The state appealed the acquittal and lost in the High Court in a January 2016 judgment. Malema off the hook. In 2015, the corruption, fraud, and money laundering case against Malema and the others was struck off the court roll. After lengthy delays by prosecution, both criminal cases folded. Manthata said, as for Oceanside Trading 777 and the historical criminal charges, that matter was finally determined by the High Court more than a decade ago. The accused were discharged and acquitted at the close of the state case under Section 174 of the Criminal Procedure Act 51 of 1977, and the state appeal against the acquittal was dismissed by the full bench of the Gauteng Division, Pretoria. The matter is closed. It has nothing to do with the city of Ekurhuleni, and RSMM will not comment on it further. Noma ngasaqhubeka ngale nalolu daba ngoba ngiyakuthola ukuthi le article isikuvezile ukuthi ayikho into ekhona elinka noma buku ubufakazi obukhona obulinka uMalema nalamathenda, yizi EFF kuyiyona ebiphethe iwater and sanitation. Okwesibili, icala lake lavulwa for Malema corruption, wafike icase yakhona was struck off the roll. Kuleli linye labo Manthata balwina lelo cala lelo, they were acquitted, balwina lelo cala lelo. So kodwa yonke lento isuselwe encwadini ebhalwe ngithi amabhunu amabili. Kunencwadi ebhalwe amabhunu amabili, isihloko sayo sithi Malema, Money, Power, Patronage. Ibhalwe uMika Reddy and Pauli van Wyk, incwadi le. So lama allegations kaMalema corruption ayenzayo ehlangene nabo Manchata asuka kuleyo ncwadi, kodwa ayikho into ubufakazi obuphathekayo abangathi nabo ubufakazi esingabukhipha. Angazi ke noma inhloso ye-News 24 bekuthengisa amaphepha nakuthi balinka uMalema nale corruption, anginalwazi. Uma ngiqala ukufunda i-article bengiyifunde ngiyitshela ukuthi mhlawumbe khona singase sikuthola, kodwa ke akunalutho. Noma ke sithi sizula inuka ingosiwanga, le yankulumo kaFloyd kukhona into eyichazayo. Le yankulumo kaFloyd, kazubani le leader ye-EFF okwathi makhulunywa ukuthi let us abolish the bucket tender system, yathi no abantu abami bazodlala. Nayo into engifisa ukuyazi, uFloyd kusafuna akasitshele iqiniso. Mina nawe sidibana kwivideo elandelayo, ngiyabonga.